Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. A lot of my students have asked me what is my favorite snack. Now, because I'm almost 45 years old, my favorite snack just happens to be salad. But not just any salad, a Greek salad. So shout out to a few of you out there who knows why a Greek salad is my favorite. I'll shout out Pam. Thank you for introducing me to the Greek salad while in Greece. Shout out to Dimitri and all of Pam's aunts, uncles, cousins who again introduced me to the Greek salad. Now I do Greek salad a little bit differently than the traditional Greek salad, so I'd like to walk you through all the things that I put in to my salad. Now all the traditional things that go into a Greek salad I do enjoy. That's cucumber, onion, tomatoes, black olives, feta cheese, and seasoning, and of course the dressing is just plain olive oil. I do add a few things to it on top of the traditional Greek salad. Banana peppers that I make myself, some green peppers which I enjoy. Let me show you how I make this salad. First, I chop up some cucumbers. I typically like my cucumbers cut up in small pieces. Next, I already have some green peppers and onions that I've already chopped up. The traditional Greek salad includes red onions. I just used a white onion. I usually take 1 or 2 handfuls. Next, I add a couple of spoonfuls of pitted Kalamata extra large olives. There goes my dog. Next, I add a few spoonfuls of my homemade banana peppers. This adds a little bit of a kick to the Greek salad. Some feta cheese. Now, I'm not a huge fan of tomatoes, but I do like these grape tomatoes. I usually cut them up. These are a few days old, so they're a little bit wrinkly, but I'll put them in here anyways. And finally, I have some of my homemade Greek seasoning. I'll show you in another video how I make this seasoning. And for the dressing, I use some extra virgin olive oil. I put a generous amount, I'd say about 2 tablespoons. And then I mix it up. Oh, and I enjoy that. So that's it, my special treat, a Greek salad. Hopefully you can see it there. It's delicious. I love it. Take a bite to prove it. Ooh, I like to get every single piece of vegetable on this spoon. If you try this recipe, let me know how you like it. Hopefully you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.